One of the most common questions we get is being able to search for a beneficial trust or also search for a will. When a person is a member of a family and somebody is deceased in that family, you may have an interest in finding out if you have any beneficial assets coming to you, whether it's bank accounts, real estate, vehicles, corporate assets, any other type of beneficiary items that belong to you rightfully. And many times there's a suspicion that other members of the family may be improperly diverting assets away from what is rightfully yours to benefit themselves or to benefit others. If that's the case, part of the process to discover that and to defeat that is to identify and document the proper assignment of those assets. And that could be held in a trust. They could be part of a will, part of a probate. And searching for those original documents is extremely important because any assets or any items that are given to the wrong person or distributed improperly can be considered what's called a fraudulent conveyance. And sometimes it's...
Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video.
Done accidentally. Maybe the trustee or the executor of the estate wasn't really clear on exactly how to distribute the assets. Sometimes it's done intentionally where somebody wants really more than their fair share. So if you have a suspicion that in your family there may have been improper distributions of assets, whether they're bank accounts or hidden assets, as part of a family law case, a probate case, we consider that probate fraud, and it's a fraud upon their own family. People are stealing from their own family. And discovering those documents is extremely important as part of the investigation, finding out where they may be registered, domiciled, stored, or cross-referenced with other records so that you can reveal the true interest of the person who's deceased, or they don't even have to be deceased. They could be somebody who is in long-term care. Maybe they have any conservatorship or some other type of supervisory situation that they're in, even medical care. You want to make sure that nobody in your family or even an executor is improperly diverting assets that belong to you or other members of your family.
If you like this video, be sure to click on a few others on our channel to see if there's other information that might be helpful to you about this same subject, or maybe even other related subjects that could assist you with your resolution of your issue.